If you're wanting to develop an app, before you hire some sketchy developer, you have to hear this story. I was once working with a client on one part of their website and another developer was working on another part of the application. After some time went by, the developer had ended up disappearing. We later got a notification from Amazon or AWS stating that our AWS private keys had been leaked in a GitHub repo and they were found, and then they were kind of locking our current keys. So the entire app that the client had was down because everything was hosted in AWS and our AWS keys were locked. So they were essentially invalidated. So what ended up happening was the developer had copied some of the code from my client's project into another project and then pushed it up to an open source public repo. In there, he had also the environment variables that were necessary to run the app, which included the AWS private keys, and they were just in the .env file, which if you're a developer, you'll know should be git ignored and not actually sent up to the repo. What ended up happening is this developer was pretty careless and did not worry about the git ignore and pushed up those keys to the GitHub repo, and they were found within seconds.